Friday, and I hope you guys are feeling blessed and highly flavored. Today, I'll be doing a plan with me for the week of Christmas in my B6 spiral planner from Printpression. Y'all probably see the little gummy bear charms up here on the top. Also cute. And I have the B6 cover in the color Periwinkle, my favorite leather color he came out with so far. So this is that bad boy, and this is the current week. Today is currently Friday. I need to finish out the rest of this week and actually go back and take a picture of this for social media's sake. So we're gonna flip this over, and today I'm going to be using a mini kit from PlanningwithJazz. It's a really cute Christmas kit. I used to PR for her, but I think my term is actually over. So I actually think I need to remove those codes. Stand by her. Mini kits are to die for. Like, I love her mini kits. And I like how this is like the non-traditional Christmas, and it has like the splashes of purple in it. So I pulled that out. I got some of this washi and this little mini washi card gifted from Alex from Teal's Gold. I'm gonna link her and where I got everything from, or who I got everything from. But I want to use this because it kind of looks like a little pink snowflakes. So that's why I pulled this out. I have this little washi sample. I honestly forgot where I got this from. I think I got this from Ambitious Mimi. But it has like these little cute emojis, and they kind of look like snowmen. So that's what I brought those. I also have these functional week sets from Printpression, and you can also get this from his shop as well. This hollow was so stinking cute. I brought both of them out. I honestly might use that gray to kind of bring out that like faux glitter out in this, but we'll see. I might use the pink ones, who knows. And I have this Simply Gilded washi samples that I got from Shauna29XX. I think this is how it is. I'll make sure to put her right here. Thank you so much, Shauna, for the Stardust washi from Simply Gilded. And I think I'm gonna end up using these, maybe this, maybe that. We'll see. This is all I have pulled out right now. Of course, if I pull any other stickers, I'll try to link them. But without further ado, I'm not going to keep y'all waiting. I'm going to go ahead and just jump right on in here. So I'm going to need for you guys to sit back, relax, and let's get this thing going. And there you have it. I'll just be showing you what's left of the kit. Then I'll be showing you the finished spread with my brilliant Villa Beautiful pen and the pen loop. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for sticking in with me. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, baby, I need you to hit that subscribe button and pop that bell because I know you nosy. I also be coming out with flavors of the day, which I think is fun as well. I think this kit came out really, really cute. I can't wait to fill it in. And then until next time, you guys, be true, be you, be blessed. And don't let anybody stop you from your dreams. And I hope y'all have a blessed and highly flavored day. And bye.